So what's changed here at number 6 is that if you've been before, you will have known that it was a really quirky old building. And that for us over the last 12 years was very challenging for us to deliver, you know, the experience that we wanted to consistently deliver day in, day out. And now this refurbishment has now just completely and utterly changed the way we work. And it wasn't about changing our food style or how we serve our customers or any of those things. It's just made what we do better and made us better. What made me go with Grande Cuisine, we really did our research, but ultimately, you know, good friends, Tom Kerridge, sat Bains and Claude Bosi, people like that have had Afanors for a long, long time. They were, you know, I remember chatting to Claude, you know, and Claude said, you know, I've had my Afanor for over 10 years. I've never had a call out once. Tom's on like his 4th or 5th Afanor. Sat was, I think, the first Afanor in the United Kingdom, still going strong. For me, that was testament. These are guys that I've got huge admiration for. So for me, that was a no-brainer that was the one I wanted to go for. So the move to go with Grande Cuisine was because they have an amazing managing director called Steve. He came and visited us and he watched our service, he watched the way we work, and he convinced me that the amount of firepower I wanted, we're chefs, so we're like no, we want a new stove, we want firepower, we want like more cooking. And he was like, you've got to look at this a different way, and you've got to look at these single plaques are giving you heat, the same heat source all the way around. That is giving us consistency. The way that Grande Cuisine made us look at how we work is something for me that I think makes them exceptional. They did not just want to sell me equipment. In fact, Grande Cuisine were very kind of like, we don't really need to sell what, you know, like we know how good the Afanor is. What Grande Cuisine did for me was, it was almost like a consultancy. It was a consultancy to make me understand and realise what I needed to cook our a la carte menu. We just wanted to make what we do even better, to give the chefs an environment to work in that makes what we do even better. We can enhance it, we can drive it, and believe it or not, that change of equipment, that kind of a stove not being on casters, a wobbly solid top, benches all different shapes and sizes, now everything is 1 metre the whole way around. So that was something that was really important. An average kitchen is 800 high. I wanted to take it to 1 metre to lose that little bit of pain in the back of the neck when you're chopping and you're working long hours in the kitchen. You know, a speaker in there, their own Wi-Fi, like everything to kind of make their environment, chefs work long hours to make their environment the best it can possibly be. Couldn't do that in the beginning, and that shows how the business has grown and grown and grown to be able to, for me, was one of the biggest moments in my life was to install, you know, a beautiful piece of kit like an Afanor into the kitchen.